Hi there, welcome to this video from Matt Carter. Today I'm going to show you how to tidy up your images, and I don't mean change them after the fact. So we're going to use this image here. So this is Alice in Wonderland. I've done everything I possibly can, I think, no, I haven't. So this is a better place to start. So a lot of people come to me and they say, look, I've got this really cool picture, but it's X, Y, and Z. It's too fuzzy. It's not clear enough. It's not sharp. All of these things that we all kind of come up against at one point or another. So you can see it here. See all the grit and the kind of smearing and the weird. I'm not really talking about the fact that our face is weird. Because that's the original prompt that's causing that, and a whole host of other things. So it's just about, okay, I've got my picture exactly how I want it, how do I make it better? Right, so the first thing I would always do, if that's it, if you've got it, I would then go duplicate, and I would look at my prompt, and I would try to think of words that I can use to tidy up my image. So there's literally hundreds of them. So you need to do your research, but I'm just going to throw in a couple here. Pop them in here, I think, and these are just kind of standard ones. So sharp, enhance, super resolution, clarify, contrast, dehaze, sharpening, and where it says resolution, I'll just stick in 16K resolution, and then back to the normal prompt. So and everything's the same seed and whatnot. Of course it's going to change the picture, but I'm just doing this to show you. I would expect you to concentrate on your prompts a bit better, to try and get it as good as you can before, but I don't know what's going to happen to this one, but we'll see shortly. Right, here we go. So let's have a look and see what it's given us. So as you can see, it's kind of turned it into colour. It could be super resolution, it's done that. It could be, any one of those. And if we go and look at the one, I'm not sure if there was any colour in. There was. It was alright. I just picked the black and white one, probably because it was the easiest one to work with. That you can see all the discrepancies. So let's see. Let's pick one of them and have a wee look and see if we can compare. So yeah, it's still gritty, but it's not as bad. You see that? There's more definition, but there's still that. I don't even know what it's called. I call it grit. It looks. I don't know what it's called. So you've got that. You've tried your best. You've added all your words, and it's like, what do I do now? Right. First thing you should do is use the enhance. The enhance is really good here. I'll bump it up. I'll just bump it up to 1024. Remember, it's 512 by default and stable. So let's just bump it up. Hopefully it won't take too long, because this video can only be 10 minutes long, and hopefully you'll see some difference in these bits. That'll be a good bit there to check and look for definition and stuff. Hopefully it will make a difference. And you've also got to remember as well, what is it that you need the picture for? You're putting it onto a website where people are going to want to print it, like 1 metre by 45 centimetres or something. Right, see, look at that. Look at the difference in the hair and stuff. And that, all we did was double it. So that's one way of doing it, and you can go all the way up to 8,000 by 8,000. I'm not going to show you that here, because it's very seldom you need it. Again, it depends what you need it for. So other options. Okay, so this is Gigapixel. This is a paid for service. So let me just get that image that we just used. So this is the image I'm going to throw into Gigapixel. Same one, but it's not being touched up in, what do you call it? NightCafe. So I'm just going to drop that in there, and it's doing it by ×2. We don't really want that. Let me put it to ×2, not ×4, and then let's see what happens to the grit. Right, as you can see, it's tidied it up. A lot of the grit's away, it's smoothed everything out, the edges are more defined. And in this you can go up to times, or you can put a custom one in there, but you can go up to ×6. You can do it by width and height if you want, and you can use these different modes. It's actually selecting the mode automatically at the moment depending on the image that I've sent it. So that's another way to do it. There's another free way, a really good free way to do this. I'll show you now. And it's the ESRG free way. This is using the Google Colabs, so it looks scary. I'm just going to walk you through it really quick. So this will ask for access to your Google Drive. So the first thing you do is you come in here and you click on the little arrow, preparations. It says it's not authored by Google, blah 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 blah. It's because someone else built it. There's nothing to worry about. So it goes off and starts doing what it needs to do. Some of that might be downloading the model onto your Google Drive. So just let it go. When it's finished that section, you get a wee green tick, and then you scroll down, and then upload images. Again, there's it's just like a wee play button really. It's to run the cell. It does that. Choose files. So let's go and find that file. There it's there. So we upload the file to the notebook. And then once that's done, you'll get a wee green tick there as well. Then we come down here to inference, click on that, and it will go and sort that out as well. By the way, I've got no idea what it's doing. So, right, that one's done as well. Those of you that know Python can look at the Python code and figure it all out. I know nothing about it. So that's it all done now. But this one, so we click go on this one. This one is going to do the image upscale. And I'm sure in there somewhere you can tell it what kind of upscale you want, what size, whatever. So that's it done. So look at the difference. It is brilliant and it's free. So that's it, as that's done. The last thing to do is come down here, click on download results. It drops your image into a zip file, and then you can save it wherever you like. So I've already got one in there, so I'll save that in there. Yeah, I'll just replace the file that's there already. And let's have a look. Oh, let's put it in there, hasn't it? Oh, it couldn't have put it in there. Where did it go then? Oh, I must have used it. Did I use that one? I didn't think I did. Oh, I'm an idiot. That's the right one. There, you can see massive difference. So yeah, that's that's the ways to upscale your picture. Use these tools. You don't have to buy the Gigapixel one. And I've got another wee tool I want to show you just before we finish. It's a website called Clean Up Pictures. So let's go back in here, pictures. Right, we'll use that dodgy one. This is a bit more for cleaning it up. So let's say I didn't want that flower there. I'll just remove it. See that? Gone. Wicked, eh? Like, I don't want her hand. Gone. Can I undo that? Yep, I can undo that. So let's say I don't really like that light up there. Let's see if it takes it away. Gone. That's wicked. So yeah, that's a great wee tool. So I hope this helps you. It's a great way to upscale your images. That's probably the best one because it's free. The Gigapixel one I prefer because I don't know anything about all of this junk. So, but yeah, hopefully that helps you out. Any questions, as always, ask me in my server or in the NightCafe server Discord. I've created a new Discord for AI art and mental health, so if you click on that link and it will take you to there. Check out the discounts for NightCafe as well. Okay, hopefully see you soon. Take it easy.